Choose freedom, choose adventure, choose leisure.
Hi campers, welcome back to the Choose Leisure Motorhome channel. My name's Dawn and I'm one of the dedicated handover technicians here at Choose Leisure Motorhomes in Canterbury in Kent. And today I'd like to show you a tutorial on the whale heating system. So if you come with me, we'll show you how that's done. So here we are, we're looking at the whale heating and hot water systems today. So you've got two panels here, and if I wave my hand in front of them, they are motion censored, so you can actually see what state of play you've got your heating and hot water at. If I go to your heating first, okay, so the one with the wavy lines is your heating. You can adjust the temperature. So you press the little plus button, and then you get a nighttime temperature. And if I whack it all the way up, so the orange goes all the way around, that's about 30 degrees. But I have to put a power input into it, so I can have gas or electric, or a combination of both. Now, if I go into the little lightning bolt and I tap that once, you can see that you've got two little dots above the little lightning bolt, and that's telling you you're drawing 2 kilowatts of electric just to run your heating. Once it's fired up, it will go orange, so the little lightning bolt's now gone orange, so you know it's actually on and it's working. You can change the input of how much kilowatts you bring in, so you can press and hold it and it'll go up to 3 kilowatts. Each kilowatt is 4 amps. Okay, so you've got to remember that when you're on your campsite, if you're on a 10 amp site, then obviously you won't be able to draw 3 kilowatts. So you can turn it down. And if I press and hold that again, I've now gone to 1 kilowatt. And if that's not enough, because it's not man enough to make heating, you can put gas into the mix. So if I press the gas button, I've now got it on electric, which is fired up. And then again, the flame symbol will go orange when it fires up on gas, and you're running your heating on both. It'll give you a bit of a boost. Now, if I go into your hot water, you can see that your hot water is off at the moment. Okay, there's no power input and you're on the minimum setting. So if I press the plus button, you'll automatically go up to the little leaf, which is eco. Now, if this bit here is not filled in, it's because the water hasn't reached that temperature yet. So for instance, if I take it up once more to the maximum heating setting on your hot water, you can see that the orange segments are not actually lit yet. That's because it's not to the temperature. So you've got eco, which is 40 degrees, and then you've got the wavy lines, which is maximum, which will be 60 degrees. But I still have to give it a power input. So if I go to electric, okay, I can have it on 1 kilowatt. I can have it on 2 kilowatts. I won't be able to put it on 3 kilowatts because we've got your heating running on 1 kilowatt. I can throw gas into the mix. Again, it will fire it up on gas. Gas is always instant, so it's a lot quicker. And then you've got your little blue flame symbol, which will go orange as and when it lights up on gas. To bring the temperature back down again, okay, you can literally just bring the temperature back down. So that's now set at eco. And then you can turn it off, and you can turn the gas off, and then you can turn the power off. So this now means that your hot water is off, but your heating is still on. So if I take it off gas, we know that you're running your heating on 1 kilowatt of electric. But before you turn the system off, what you need to do is literally lower the heating down so it can get rid of all of the heat that it's been making up in the system and vent it all out. Once you've done that and you hear the fan stop, then you can actually turn the electric off, and then the system will be back into its standby mode. In order for your heating and hot water to work, obviously if you're not on mains hookup, you'll need to be running it on gas alone, but you will need your 12-volt system turned on for it to work, because it needs to communicate to the elements to tell it what to do. So there you are campers, that's how to work your whale heating system. I hope that you found that tutorial useful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss out on any future videos. And in the meantime, carry on camping.